Hey guys, good morning. So I'm here in my Tesla and I got it on full self-drive, and somehow it detects that I have a phone in my hand because it told me to pay attention to the road. That's not the topic. I just am back from the tire place and had my winter tires put on, my winter wheels put on. So these are the original Gemini 19 inch wheels that came with the Tesla, and I put those covers on that I got from EVBASE, and there's a video on that if you want to look them up. Yeah, the tires are still the Nokian winter tires that I bought a while ago. I still have a video on that too. They're good tires. I like them, and I think they're good for another season, maybe two, who knows. So now they're on. So I'm gonna find this place to stop and we'll have a look at them, see what they look like. By the way, my summer tires, so to speak, they're still those Chinese Ceylon tires, and man, they hold up pretty well. So they're still good for another season, they told me. And I knew that. The thread is getting a little lower, but it's still a lot more thread on it than what you see on some people driving around. So they hold up a lot better than I thought. So they also don't perform that bad. You know, they're not super great, but for being a cheap EV tire, they're made specifically for EVs. They are not bad, and so they're pretty good for that. Same with those snow tires that I have. So let me quit talking and stop the vehicle, and then we'll have a look at them. So, by the way, full self-drive works fine. It got updated again. They're constantly improving it. I think it's improved. So like right now, see, it makes a turn. Yeah, no problem at all. So, all right, guys, I'll see you soon when I stop. Okay, this is it. I didn't find the best spot to stop, but that's all right. These are those covers that I have the video about, and these are my tires. They are the Nokian Hakkapeelita, the R5s. They are for EVs as well, as you can see there. So plenty of thread left. And the weather right now is still okay, but you know, it can change really quick here. We already had the first snow, especially in the mountains, so it can change quick, and it gets very snowy here, and sometimes it gets very cold as well. So better get it done sooner than later, or whatever you call it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this, even if it wasn't that informative still, and I wish you a great day. So have a good one, and please like and subscribe.